Today, we'll be taking a look at the rotor assembly on this Whirlpool front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To access your components, you must first remove this rear panel here. Now, before we start to remove all of the 1/4" screws around the perimeter, we're going to get a pair of pliers and push in this drain hose. It is held on by one kind of clip at the top. Press it in, just kind of get that in the base here. Then we'll go around and remove all the screws. Then, before we remove the last screw, just hold on to the middle, just to make sure it can't fall. We'll put our fingers in the hole, lift it up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to the rotor. Now, the main reason why you would need to access this component is if it is loud when it's going into spin. Since it has magnets going around this entire rotor here, typically what will happen is one of the magnets may get damaged and cause it to drop down and hit the motor. And when it spins, you'll hear it grinding. If this is the case, you'll need to take your rotor off for inspection. In order to remove your rotor, you have one 5/8" bolt in the middle that'll have to be removed. We'll take that out. And then we'll go ahead and pull off on the rotor gently and just kind of wiggle back and forth when you're going. Pull it out. Do a good visual inspection inside. Make sure nothing's damaged. If something's damaged, the rotor will have to be replaced. Go ahead and set it to the side. When installing your new rotor, what you want to do is carefully line it up with the shaft. It is magnetized, so it wants to draw in. And you may have to move it and jiggle it around in order to get it to line up, because the center has to slide in like so. Now, once you get it to this point, what I would recommend doing is putting in your screw. This is going to help draw it the rest of the way and tighten it up. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, we're going to get it in place and make sure the drain line is sticking in before we put in the screws on. Get it up, hold it, put in our first screw. You do not have to put it too tight, that way we can move it while we are installing the others. While we're here, let's pop in that drain line. Let's reinstall this side. Tighten up that center bolt, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.